If you see this video, we have been intercepted and kidnapped in international waters by the Israeli occupational forces or forces that support Israel.
We are being intercepted.
Please, go to your places, teach their phones.
The maritime zone of the coast of Gaza is closed to naval traffic as part of a legal naval blockade. If you wish to deliver humanitarian aid to the Gaza Strip, you are able to do so through the port of Ashdod via the established channels and distribution centers.
I urge all my friends, family and comrades to put pressure on the Swedish government to release me and the others as soon as possible.